This is cabin 8292, which is a balcony cabin on Navigator of the Seas. And if I just show you the storage just as you come in, as soon as you come through the door, really nice storage. Lots of hanging space, shelving, and you've got some floor space there as well, which is really good. You normally expect that sort of storage in a suite maybe. And into the bathroom. It's a nice size actually, it's a little bit dated. As you can see with the tiling by the sink and the floor as well. But it's all really clean. And you have your shower there with your shower gel, or your combo shower gel shampoo. And if we just take you into the cabin itself, again, really good storage in the cabin. So you've got lots of drawers either side of the vanity desk, and you have your hairdryer in one as well. And just at the mirror, you see you've got one European plug, and then just across 2 US plugs, and these are the only plugs in the cabin. So there's nothing by the bed, there's no USB ports or USB-C ports. So this cabin is for 2, so you've got a nice sofa there, as there's no sofa bed. And you have your TV, which will swivel out towards the bed, which is nice. And just above, you've got your safe. A lot of cruise lines have started doing these small safes, which you can't really get much in. So you wouldn't get a laptop, iPad, that sort of thing. But sort of wallets, kind of some important bits you'll get in there, and more storage just up there. And below the TV, if I can get into it. That side. You have your mini fridge. And then the bed, standard setup, you can either have as a queen or twins. And below you'll be able to store your luggage as well, your large cases. There's plenty of space underneath for that. So you've either side of the bed, you've got your lamp, and there's a bedside table with a small drawer and a little bit of storage there. And a nice big painting behind the bed. And now let's take you out to the balcony. So we didn't actually stay in this cabin. We were lucky enough to be able to have a look around it. So we can't give you a review based on our personal experience of the cabin. But we've stayed in one similar, and that we found the bed's really comfortable. There's plenty of space. As we said, storage is excellent in this cabin. And it's a really comfortable stay. So what do you think of the cabin? Would you like to stay in this one? What do you think of the decor? Was it a bit too dated for you, or do you think it would be okay? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you found our video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for free. It really does mean a lot to us, and you'll find plenty of videos on there from Navigator and all of our other travels. And you can watch out for future videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.